Welcome to week 7 of this is case study 2, speech recognition. Hopefully you have gone to the course Google site under week 7's agenda and you have been able to look at the 2 videos about the students that would typically use this kind of software, and also that you've read those 2 articles that kind of give you a little bit of background of speech recognition, what it is, why you would use it. And hopefully those articles and those videos will be helpful to you. Now you're going to get an opportunity to learn how to actually use the tool. Windows 7 operating system, the new Windows 7 operating system, has speech recognition as part of the operating system. It's also available in Windows XP as well as Windows Vista. But we're going to use Windows 7 right now. Many of the things I'm going to show you are probably similar if you have Windows XP or Windows Vista. But we're going to use Windows 7 operating system for this particular demonstration. First off, we need to open up speech recognition, and so what I want you to do is down here on the bottom left corner you'll have the Start menu icon. Click this. Under the Search Programs and Files, type Speech, and then you'll get a dialog box that will list some options here. What you want to do is you want to click on Speech Recognition, and a dialog box will appear that says Configure your speech recognition experience. Now if you're going through the program the first time, you would click Start Speech Recognition, and it kind of takes you through kind of screen by screen how to set up your computer. I've already set up speech recognition on my machine, but I'm going to try to kind of simulate what it would be like if I was a first-time user coming in. So I'm going to take you through individual menu items on here. However, if you were a first-time user, you would just come in and hit Start Speech Recognition right here, and it would take you through all of the items that are listed basically on this menu. But I'm going to do it individually. The first thing I want to make sure, though, is that our microphone, that the computer is recognizing the proper microphone, so that we don't have any problems with accuracy or with the speech recognition software recognizing your mic. So I'd like you to go over here to the left and click on Advanced Speech Options. Then I want you to come down here underneath Microphone. There's a button that says Advanced. Click that. And then I want you to make sure that the item Use this audio input device, this one is clicked, so it's checked, and that your particular headset is listed here. If not, click on this down arrow and you'll see a list of available headsets, so yes, or input devices, and you want to make sure that yours is listed there and that you select it. I'm using a Plantronics headset, so I'm going to click and make sure that's selected, and then click OK. And then I'm going to go ahead and click, probably either it's going to ask you to click Apply and then click OK. I'm just going to click OK, and now I'm back here to my screen. First thing we're going to do is I want to make sure we set up the microphone. Now that we know we have the right microphone selected, we actually have to set it up. So like I said, if you clicked on Start Speech Recognition, it would pretty much take you through all these steps I'm going to take you through, but I'm going to do it individually. So click Set Up Microphone. Make sure that the type of microphone that you're using is the headset microphone. Make sure that that radio button is selected. Click Next. You position your microphone correctly. The microphone should be about 1 inch from your mouth, which is about your thumb width. So if you took your thumb and put it on the corner of either your left side of your mouth or your right side, depending upon which side the microphone is, and just made sure that your thumb was about a thumb width away, that would be about 1 inch off to the side, and then just make sure your mute button isn't on your headset. Read the following sentence. Peter dictates to his computer. He prefers it to typing, and particularly prefers it to pen and paper. Click Next. And it should say that your microphone's ready to be used. If it doesn't say this, however, you want to go back, click the back button up here, adjust your microphone again and make sure that it's where it needs to be, and then read the sentence again, finish. And so I want you to click on Open the Speech Reference Card link. Up here at the top it says Show All. I'd like you to click that. And then I want you to go ahead and click the print icon and print this. This is going to be kind of a reference guide for you as you're going through. It'll tell you some of the commands that you need, and so I'd like you to have that available. So let's go ahead and print that out and have that available as we go through the tutorial today. So click Take Speech Tutorial. I'm not going to go through this entire tutorial. I'm going to have you work through it, and then when you're finished with it, I'll come back in and tell you some more things. Okay, you should have taken the speech tutorial and gone through that. The next thing we're going to do is I'm going to train your computer to understand you better. So click on Train Your Computer. It will show this, Welcome to Speech Recognition Voice Training. Click Next. And what you're going to do is you're going to do some training text. So I want you to go ahead and read through this text, and then we'll come back at the end and we'll continue with that. After you're done with your speech recognition training, you should come to a screen that looks like this. I would recommend that you do more training, at least one more. This will help to improve the computer's ability to understand you. Your accuracy will increase just a little bit. And with each additional training, it increases more and improves the accuracy of the speech recognition. Again, this doing more training sessions, but also correcting errors. These two things improve your speech accuracy a great deal. I'm going to click Next and click Send. And now you should come back here to your Configure Your Speech Recognition Experience window. Now you should be ready to start speech recognition. So what we've done, just to summarize, is first off we've made sure we've gone in and clicked on Advanced Speech Options and down here to Advance and made sure that you had the correct headset. That's the first thing. The next thing we did is we clicked Set Up Microphone. So we went up and went through the on-screen wizard to do that. You next took the speech tutorial, which is important. You need to do that. And then you trained your computer to better understand you. Also, you need to make sure that you open the speech reference card and you print it so you have it available as just a quick reference as you're going through and doing this tutorial. I hope that was helpful, and I hope that it helped to set up the speech recognition for you. The next tutorial is going to be actually starting speech recognition and going in and actually opening up a Word document and doing some dictation.